Hello Thomas, this is Paul Kempler, Kempler Design. I just wanted to give you an overview. We're going to walk through your house and make sure that you are comfortable with everything. First of all, we're going to look at, on the table, things that I'm leaving here for you. Come closer, Josh. So first of all, you've got your installation, operation, and care guide for the Vertiglide. That we're going to show you in a minute. And then the rest of them are installation, operation, and care for your light rise operation. Those are the ones with the handles that you're going to raise up and down by hand. This is your warranty registration card that you can fill out if you choose to. And now we're going to do a little walkthrough. So over here is your Vertiglide. Now the Vertiglide, as we recall, is this cellular shade that moves side to side. So the way that you operate it is there's a handle right here. You're just going to grab the handle and move it across. It's super easy. You can stop it anywhere you want, and it stacks all the way to the side. A couple things specifically for you guys. We notched the bottom of this so that the rail sits against the wall. We did not notch it on the non-rail side. So when you look at that, you may, when the shade comes all the way across, it is attached by magnet here, but on this side, it's just up against the side. If you wish, that could be notched as well to make it go directly to the wall, but I thought it might look unattractive if we did that before you, because sometimes when it's exposed, I think it just won't look great. So let's move on now to the light rise. The light rise shades have handles on them. Now these are the ones that are top down, bottom up. So for example, these two, and then in your master bedroom, those are top down, bottom up, which means you can grab the handles, lower it down to where you want. You can go at any point in between if you want to have those up. So just depending on how you want to use them, just grab the handles and use them together. On a smaller window over here, I'm going to show you how this works. This is a Hunter Douglas adjustment key. So if you come over to the shade and we raise it from the bottom and raise it up, on the bottom side we're going to notice a hole here and a hole here. If I were to place this key inside and turn it to the right, every click is about 1/8 of an inch. If I turn to the right, it will go up. If I turn to the left, it will lower. So if for any reason somebody grabs them really hard or something like that, they need to be adjusted, you can make that adjustment. Keep in mind, there's only about 1.5 inches of adjustment. So if you go left, 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 the entire cord will drop out of it. So be cautious with that, and if you're not sure, you can call me. And then we're just going to do a walkthrough of the other spaces so that you can see that everything is done. This room, as we determined, the shade is mounted at the back of the window. If we zoom in, we're really going to see that it's mounted at the back of the window. And then over here, they're mounted like the rest of them. One other thing. You noticed it on the other shades. I'm going to show you here. By federal law, I don't remove these. But if you are very careful and you just snip them with a nail clipper or small scissors, then you can take these off as soon as you like. But it's a child safety issue. We want to make sure that nobody gets hurt. So enjoy the shades. Thank you for your business, and we'll talk to you later.